Anyway, back to business. This is the tricky little turn here. So this is a weird spot where we have to take a left. It's kind of onto a little bumpy here, to tell you on a country road. So this goes onto this 3-lane highway. Cars coming down fast. Cars coming up fast. And then there's a tiny little ramp here it needs to go on. And bang a left. And it's really tight. This is what trips up FSD every time. It's ultra cautious. It could have taken that run, but it's slowing down a lot. Let's see what it does here. It should be ready to go now. If I was Chuck Cook, I'd say this is the time. Whoa, it's doing it with conviction. Ooh, I thought it was gonna clip that curb. It didn't do it. That's the tricky part. So yes, we passed the test, ladies and gentlemen. That was it. That was it. We did it. Thank you all for joining. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna actually change. Anyway, thank you.